Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to making the most of your dining experience. Today, I am going to show you how to download the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Whether you are craving your favorite meal or trying something new, Uber Eats makes it easy to get great food delivered right to your door. Let's get started. Downloading the Uber Eats app is quick and simple whether you are using iPhone or an Android device. In just a few easy steps, you will be ready to browse menus and place your first order. First, let's go to App Store on your mobile device. If you're using iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using Android device, open the Google Play Store. In search bar, type Uber Eats. Look for Uber Eats app in the search results. It should have Uber Eats logo, which is a black and green icon with the word Uber Eats. Once the app page, tap Get button if you are in iPhone or Insta button if you are in Android. The app will begin downloading. Once it is finished, you can open it directly from the store by tapping Open, or you can find the Uber Eats icon on your home screen. Tap it there. When you open the app for the first time, you will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an Uber account, you can use the same login credentials. Otherwise, follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new account. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Now you can browse through hundreds of restaurants, discover new dishes, and get your favorite meals delivered straight to your home. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on making your life easier and more delicious. Thanks for watching.